Hey Class 6, math today. Going to go through a couple of things. So number one, we need to have a go at the mystery number up here. Okay, 3 statements. You need to obviously have a look at them and decide which one. So prime numbers only have 2 factors, themselves and 1. Okay, so we'll leave that for a second. The next one says less than 12 squared. We know 12 squared is 12 times 12, so we know this is 144. Okay, so it's got to be smaller than that. The next one says more than 0.1 times 1,000. You can do that. 100. Okay, so you know the number has to be between 100 and 144. At this point, you go to prime numbers and you say, oh, are there any prime numbers? Now, a little trick for you. So 101, 102. Okay, so these two would fit this, but are they prime? So take 102 for example. If you add up the digits 102, if they're a multiple of 3, then so is 102. Okay, so that is 3, 2, 1 and 0 equals 3. So 102 is a multiple of 3. So 3 is a factor. Okay, so it's definitely not this. Okay, then you go through and you see there'll be multiple answers. Okay, I'm not going to tell you them. Have a go at this and then have a go at the problem in the sheets today. Part 2. This question here. Okay, I want you to add the fraction first because in bid maths you can do addition and subtraction, them the same value. So you could do the subtraction sum first and then the addition, or you could do the addition first. It makes no odds, you'll get to the same answer. Easiest way is to do this first. Can't do it because they're not the same. So I find a common multiple. Okay, so I'm going to times this by 3, times this by 4. So we have 3 over 12 added to 8 over 12, which I know is 11 over 12. Okay, so then we do 11 over 12 minus 3/5. Now again, try and find a common multiple. 12, 24, 36, still not got a 5 or a 0 in the end. 36, 48, 60. Okay, so I'll multiply this by 5 and this by 5, which gives me 55 over 60. And minuses, this needs to be about 60. So 10 times 5 is 50, so it's going to be 12 times 5. Okay, 12 threes are 36. And then simply 55 minus 36. Okay, I always like to add on. So I'll add on 20 to get to 56, then minus 1, so it's 19. Okay, that's your answer. Final thing, 3 questions here, angles. Number 1, simple, use your facts. Straight line is 180, okay? So 180 minus 48. Do it in your head or jot it down. I like to do it in my head, so I know that it's going to be this. So if I add 8, it takes 140, then I add the 40, it takes me 180. This one here, okay, we know this is again is 180, we know this bit is 90. I fill it in. So 4x is equal to 90. Okay, now to work out what x is, if 4 of them equal 90, I need to find out what 1 is. So we share between the 4. 90 divided by 4. Half of 90 is 45. Half of 45 is 22.5. Okay, final one. Sometimes you have to express something and show how you can work it out. Now I've got x and y, the different values, but I know that this is 180 and this is 90, so I could show you that x add y equals 90 degrees. Now that's how I leave it, because there's no way I can work out anything else. Okay, so just leave it there and that's perfectly done. Great job.